In this video, we are going to talk about how to fix McDonald's order already in progress, clear cart, cancel order, and retry. Fix 1. Force close and restart the app. First of all, you just have to stop the app completely by swiping it away from the recent app and open the app again and try to place your order again.
Fix to clear app cache and data. On your Android, you just have to open the setting option, open the phone setting, and here you have to look for option called apps. Click on apps and click on manage apps. And here you have to look for McDonald. Click on McDonald and click on storage. And here you can see a clear cache. You just have to click on that. And if the problem is still continue, you can clear the data too.
On your iPhone, you just have to open the setting and move to the general option. And there you can see iPhone storage. Then locate the McDonald app in the list and select the offload app to clear cache and data while returning documents. And reopen the McDonald app and sign in back in.
Fix 3. Update or reinstall the app. For that, you have to open the App Store or Play Store from your phone, and here you have to search for McDonald. If any update is available, you just have to update it. If the app is already updated and error still persists, you can just uninstall the app. Just click on that and uninstall it, and again you have to reinstall the app from the Play Store or App Store and log in again and attempt to place the order again.
Fix 4. Check the app order status. Open the McDonald app and navigate to your order or order history. Check for any order label as in process or pending. Attempt to cancel the order from the screen if option is available. So doing all this step will help you to resolve the issue. Thanks for watching.